Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can install the LED notification light in the POCO X2 device. So most of the users, they do feel that they don't have the LED notification light in the POCO X2. So now you can install the application, friends, from the Google Play Store. So which will reflect the as if it is having the physical type LED notification light. And if you're watching first time this video, friends, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also to check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of other smartphones, so where you can find plenty of useful videos in the description below. So recently even I did a video, friends, on explaining the advantages of having IPS panel if you're using this kind of LED notification light versus the AMOLED panel, friends. So basically this quick warning that the IPS panel do drain the battery a lot if you're using this kind of applications, so which I explained in a clear video. So that's why if you want to try this application, just try for one time or twice, but don't try regularly, because this will impact your battery life in the POCO X2 device definitely. And if you're using any other phone like AMOLED panel displays, then definitely you can try it. There is not at all problem. So I did a video on that explaining clearly what's the issue and why it's the battery life is affecting in AMOLED versus IPS. So now let me get started with the installation process in the POCO X2, friends. So the first, you need to download the application from the Play Store. As you can see, friends, this is the application Notify Buddy. So you can download from the Play Store, friends, and this application you can try in whatever device you are having right now. But I'm saying again and again, the battery will be impacting, friends, if you're using on IPS LCD panel. Do remember that, and before using these kind of applications. And when you click open, you need to give permissions for certain things like overlaying and accessibility permissions as well. So once you are given that permissions, you can select any application, friends. So for example, if I select Android benchmark, and you can even pick the color as well. So if you select WhatsApp, you can choose the green color, and if you select Facebook, you can choose blue color, and depending on the type of application you can customize the things, so which is very good in this application, friends. And very soon I'll be trying to give some promo codes by contacting this developer, friends. And meanwhile, you can change the colors as well if you click on the active in the third column here. So this will show you what are the applications actually you have enabled the notification buddy. So here you can change the colors as well, friends, when you tap here which color you want, green or blue or any color, so which works very perfectly, friends, in the application. That is a best advantage, and I'm liking a lot this kind of notification light, so which I used to use in my OnePlus 7 Pro device, so which doesn't have LED notification light, friends. So always it used to like the LED notification light, and after installing this application, the LED notification light works perfectly and very good, friends, in the AMOLED panels. And in IPS LCD panels, the case is different. So just give it a try, friends, by installing this application. So definitely you can try these features. And few of the things are pretty limited in this application, but another thing, you need to force enable the Notify Buddy as well. So if sometimes it doesn't work, this will enable the Notify Buddy to work always, and you cannot enable for the few things. So let me show you what. And here you can see, friends, showing the app icons as LEDs. That is the next level, friends, from the LED notification light. So that you need to have the Pro version, which don't have, but definitely very soon I'll try to give some promo codes by contacting the developer and unlocking the device with the fingerprint. There will be some problems, friends, with the fingerprint unlocking if you are using this kind of application in the lock screen. So that can be solved if you are buying the application actually. So that's it, friends. These are the quick features which are actually there in this application, which are very useful but very limited, friends. You cannot show the charging indicator. That if they provide this charging indicator, that will be a complete package, but they did not do that. So that's it, friends. In this way you can install the LED notification light in the POCO X2 device. And I've done another video demonstrating there is actually a physical LED notification light in the POCO X2 device on the top right corner here, so which I did a video on that, friends. So do check that video if you want to know more in details about the POCO X2 LED notification light. And this doesn't apply only for the POCO X2, it also applies for most of the mobile phones which are going to release and already released phones. So that's it for this video, friends. Do subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.